Our question is f of x equal to x into e power x by 1 plus tan x, then show f dash of x equal to how much. We have formula when derivation of u by v form equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. We have to use this when v by u by v form. Then this formula derivation of uv equal to uv dash plus v u dash. This is used for when uv u into v, and this formula used when u by v. We have to use first this formula because we have question here u by v. Here u equal to x into e power x, v equal to 1 power tan x. Then we are substituting these values in this formula. Here v equal to 1 plus tan x into derivation v dash means dy by dx, derivation dy by dx into u is x into e power x minus u. What is u? X into e power x. Then next v dash means dy by dx 1. Next v 1 plus tan x by 1 plus tan x square. Here v square, v means 1 plus tan x, then square. Next equal to, next point is 1 plus tan x is has this. I write this. Then I derivate this is I derivated. This form is looking like uv. So we are assuming u equal to x. This is a u, this is a v equal to e power x. Then we are using bracket. Here u we are using this formula when u for factor, when we are doing derivation to factors. uv, here u equal to u is x, u into v dash means dy by dx into e power x is v plus v. Here plus v means e power x. Write e power x into u dash means dy by dx into what is u is x. Then I close the bracket minus I write x into e power x. I write this, and derivation I did derivation this dy by dx of 1 is a constant, and derivation of constant is 0, plus derivation of tan x is sec square x. Then 1 plus tan x whole square equal to 1 plus tan x into bracket x into derivation of e power x is e power x plus e power x into derivation of x is 1 minus e power x into e power x. I wrote down that. Then 0 plus sec square x is sec square x by 1 plus tan x whole square secant square. X into I multiplied with this is, and this 1 into x into 1 into x 1 into e power x plus 1 into e power x into 1 is e power x, 1 into e power x plus, then I multiply with this e power x into e power x and tan x into tan x, plus then this e power x I write here, and into tan x minus x. I write this as this x into e power x into sec square x equal to e power x into x plus 1. I took common e power x from all this. I took common from this, then what is left? Only x plus, and here 1 plus x into e power x, and here taking this out, what is remaining? X into tan x plus, and here took a common tan x, remains only tan x, minus here took common e power x is took common, here remains x into sec square x by 1 plus tan x square.